it's a strange thing. Uh, I've been recently taking like stand-up comedy classes, and to prepare for some of the class shows, I would do a lot of open mics here in the Portland area. And that process, the iteration that I went through to be able to have a 5-minute set that I feel confident enough to deliver, and like that whole process for with the end result, of course, was like felt good. It takes me back to my basketball days, the middle school, high school, where though I was doing it from the sense of lack, like I don't think I'll be good enough, so I have to work much harder, twice as hard, 4 times as hard, all that stuff to have these skills. Uh, there's something that feels good about the pursuit of mastery of something.